Greetings, everybody. This is Pink Frog Yellow Boots from Behavior, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. Today, we'll be speaking about love languages. When we speak of love language, basically it is a term used to describe how a person feels loved or how can you showcase love to somebody. It works both ways, like it is receiving love and giving love. This out of research has been established that there are basically 5 ways in which a person can showcase love and feel loved. So you have to, one person has to be mindful when it comes to yourself. Be aware what is your love language, what makes you feel loved out of the five that I'll be describing. And when loving somebody, make sure what is it that they feel loved through and approach them with that love language that would aid you best to love that person, be it your family, friends, sibling, colleagues. Love is a universal language which is the basic of human existence. We all want to be loved. Love is a very broad term that has a lot of component: care, concern, affection, understanding, maturity, cooperating. You name it and it comes into it. So, when loving somebody, these are the 5 things that you need to consider, be it yourself, be it for others. We'll start with words of affirmation. That is the first one. Words of affirmation is giving affirmation, wherein you state your stand, you appreciate, you express, you validate, you acknowledge. Let's say somebody cooked for you. To show your love and concern for them, you simply state that you are thankful that they cooked for you and you liked the meal. This could be a form of affection that you show to that person. Whereas when your love language is words of affirmation, what you need to feel loved is that they care about you, that they value what you are putting in. Next comes physical touch. Physical touch is a small caress, a pack of kiss, a handshake, a pat on the head, these basic terms, holding hands, these are things that either given or taken will make you feel loved. The third one is spending quality time. Basically, quality time is a time that you dedicate to that person without any intervention, without any other thing distracting you from giving your time to that person. Quality time is basically prioritizing that person in that moment. Again, I'll give the same example of cooking food. It is like cooking together or eating together. If somebody feels loved with quality time, it could be you cooking together or you eating together. The example that I'm using are simply just examples. It could be used through broad and varied categories. The fourth one is act of service. Act of service is doing something for the other person out of that willingness, not out of the feeling that you are doing that for them, but you want to do that for them. It is the same as somebody doing something for you. When act of service is something that you feel loved through. Now, there could be two components. You doing something for somebody makes you feel that you are loving them, but that might not be their love language. That is more about your love language. You like showing love through act of service. Same way, do you like receiving love through act of service? Figure this out. Act of service is cooking something for somebody and taking it for them, or bringing them vegetables if they like cooking. Basically, act of service is doing something for the another person out of pure love, affection, and care for them. Make sure that when you are doing this, what is your love language, what is their love language is considered. Loving is a two-way process. When you love somebody, they have to acknowledge and accept that love that you bring to them. And you being loved is you have to be open to receive that love from somebody. That is why when we go through love languages, it is important to understand yours and your partners or your any relationship based on love acknowledges and accepts the love in a manner that they feel loved in. The next love language, the last one, the fifth one is receiving gift. Is the last one that has been established. So when it comes to receiving it, it's very well said in the words itself. It is have receiving something from the person you want to feel loved from. That is, a person who likes receiving gift can be shown love by giving them gifts. It could be a small token of love or it could be a big gift. It depends on your feelings more than anything else. Moreover, it is important when you are giving a gift, making sure that you put in some effort, choosing something that they would really like and appreciate, they were looking forward to, something of their interest is always good to give. I hope this video helps. Also, when thinking about love, let us think about love as something that we give and receive. I love you is simply a statement, but it is more like I want to love you. So, when you plan to love somebody, learn what they feel loved through and do accordingly. That is the best way to love somebody. Also, make sure that you know how you feel loved and shower yourself, pamper yourself through that. Have a great week ahead. Take care of yourself.